What's up, guys? We back with more Ori. Let's get into this, shall we? This game gets me stressed out. Last fucking episode, we died like 100 fucking times. I think my problem is I don't save enough, so I need to start saving more. I think I figured this puzzle out. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm really scared that I'm gonna die. Hold on. Wait till this bad boy comes. Okay, so I'm in the States. I'm in the northern part. I went outside today, take out my dog. It has been so fucking cold. I'm pretty sure I talked about this already, but there's no snow. There's absolutely no snow. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe the world's coming to an end, you know? Oh my god, how did I do that? Oh god, what do I do here, boys? Fuck. Easy. Let's go. See, easy. Fucking easy, boys. And I can't save. Can you please give me a thing to save? That'd be nice. Oh, I'll go this way. I need some things. I need some things, bro. I didn't get any health from that. Ay ay ay. Come on, let's do this again. No! Okay. Okay. Got that. Huh. Okay. 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 Huh. Okay. Yes, there's a save. Woo. Thank the heavens. Thank the heavens. Thank the fucking heavens, boys. Thank you! Oh my god, this game is so stressful sometimes, so you don't know what the fuck to do. Die, fucker. Oh, I forgot I could do that. Die. Yeah, bitch. I gotta pick you up now. Let's save right here. So my goal is to save more. That's my goal. Okay. Oh fuck! I dropped it. Fuck! I didn't mean to drop it. Get the hell out of here with that bullshit. We ain't mess around. Come on. Wait. Oh my god. I suck. I suck. I suck. I suck at predicting that. Alright, we want to go this way now. No! Are you joking me? I hate you. Jump on that shit. Okay, we got this. Can't create a soul link on here. Oh my god. Wait, what? Wait, no! Oh my god, game. Why do you do this to me? Oh my god, I have to concentrate so hard. I got this now. It's easy. Cake. Cake. It's a walk in the park. Give me you, please. Fuck! I wish you could save on this log. That'd be nice. No, 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 no! I didn't want to jump. can't stop yourself through there. You got this. You got this. So good. So good. Part of the plan. Go, 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 go. Come on. Oh, fuck, I missed. Drop. Fuck me! Oh my god. So many deaths. So many deaths. So many. Go, 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 go! Let's do this. Get that thing again for like the 10th time. Get up there. Oh, no, 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 no! Oh. Are you joking me? I'm saving. No. Why? Why'd I do that? Hold on. I don't even have any enough. Let's do this again. What? That frog's a sniper, dude! Oh my god. Kill me. Oh god. I can't jump with that thing. Oh my god. Get out of here with that bullshit. Fuck you up. Bitch. Fuck. What did he hear? Do I have... Oh, God. Oh, God, that was so scary. What is that? Oh, God. Game, why do you do this? No, 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 no. Now jump. Oh, I jumped too fucking soon. Wait, I didn't have the fucking orb in my hand? I did. What the fuck? Alright, let's see if we do this again. What the fuck? Get on this. Do that thing again. Get over here. Got this, got this. I can't make a soul link. Oh god, what? Can I drop this thing? Whoa, don't die. Don't die, don't die. Let's see. Ow. Give me you. I think I need you now. Oh, wait, wait. Can I jump on that without dying? Oh, I need this thing again. Let me save it again. Can I save it again? I'm pretty sure you can. Yeah, okay. How do you do? Oh, I know. I got it. I know what to do. Give me that orb. So kind. So what do I do from here? Don't tell me I do that for no reason. I do that shit for no reason. Ooh, that's... Aaron, you're so dumb. You just made the same mistake twice. Oh, no, 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 no. Hold on. I think I can do this without the orb. Put the map piece in. I don't want to pick up the object. Oh, I've been here already. What? What? Oh, I got all the pieces. The fuck out of here, bitch. Fuck out of here. Get that bullshit. Get that bullshit out of here. You can't touch this, bitch. Thank you. Too easy. Oh, I thought I was gonna die for some reason. What do I do here? Oh, do I have to put the ore back? Got this, little buddy. Yeah, look what I did, bitch. What are you doing? Why you look so sad? Oh, that used to be your friends. Let me go comfort him. Maybe he'll give me something cool. Oh God, Ori, why are you so fast, bro? I want to go comfort him. What the hell? Oh yeah. More obstacles. Whoa! Why can't I make a soul link up there, bro? Fuck. Didn't even want to make one there. Yeah. About his fate. Yeah, bitch. How does one do this? Oh my God, what the fuck is this shit? Where does this go? Ooh, you better give me secrets! Ooh, what is this? She looks cool. So, if I revive this shit, will it flood again? Bring back the light from the and the memory of Gumudan. Let us restore the elements. Yeah, restore that shit. Buddy? No! Not this again! What is this? Oh my God. How are you supposed to dodge those? How? Oh God. I'm so confused on how you're supposed to dodge those. How are you supposed to... What? bullshit. Yeah, that's how you dodge them. Oh god. Yeah, okay, we got this, we got this, we got this. Oh, what? What? Always something we gotta destroy, right? Just what we're known for, I guess. Destroying shit. Another one. Oh my god. Fucking time events. Oh my god. Oh! 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 I'm getting hit by everything. I literally just got hit by like 10 of those. Oh my god, stop it again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here. What? What? First, a fucking flood. Then, you get fucking ice crystals coming from the ceiling. Are you fucking joking? What? I didn't even see these things coming out. Oh, I can't get hit. Okay, I'm gonna die if I get hit. I can't get hit. What in the world is with? It started. Ow! Can you stop hitting me, please? Stop. No. No more. I surrender. Sorry. Ow. Oh god. Somebody was so... Another one. Are you joking me, game? Game. Come on, you can't do this. She was so hard to dodge. Oh god, I wasn't paying attention. I was too busy on the crystals. Ah! Another one, I'm not paying attention. Break, I know you want to. Move better. God. Stop, please. Oh, I got this. Got this. Let's go. Speed run this bitch. Got this. I'm not gonna take any damage. No damage. Take no damage. Okay, we took some damage. That was plain. We had to take damage. Because if we didn't take damage, it would have been easy. forgot this. Let's take damage here. Yeah. Oh, I made it? I made it. Okay. Woo! Easy. What? Where'd I go? Fuck out of here. Oh, I didn't even need to save. It's a girl? I hope it hatches. Yeah. Or it needs a fucking bitch. Needs a girlfriend. See how big those eyes were, or those owls are adorable. Aww. Killed its kids? That's fucked. It's a little fucked up. Oh God. Jump! You just landed? You couldn't like land softly. Well, I think this is a good place to leave off. That would be this for the that's all for this episode, guys. If you liked, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next episode.